Lila never imagined a single empty notebook would hold the key to her future. She dreamed of studying art in London, but her grades were always low. Lila felt overwhelmed and often spent hours just staring at her books. One day she saw a flyer for a prestigious art scholarship. "It's impossible," she sighed, feeling hopeless about her chances. Her old art teacher, Mrs. Amina, noticed Lila's sadness. Mrs. Amina gave Layla a small, empty sketchbook and a pencil. "Draw one small thing every day, no matter how simple," Mrs. Amina advised. Lila was skeptical, but she started sketching a tiny leaf that evening. Some days, she only drew a line, feeling tired and uninspired. Gradually, the sketches became more detailed, filling the pages with art. She also found herself focusing better in her other classes. Then, an unexpected email arrived. The scholarship deadline was next month. Lila needed to submit a full portfolio and impressive academic results. "I can't possibly finish everything in time," she thought, feeling overwhelmed again. But then she looked at her sketchbook, full of consistent daily effort. This time, Lila decided to tackle her tasks one small step at a time. She didn't win the main scholarship, but her unique portfolio earned her a special grant. Imagined, overwhelmed, prestigious, skeptical, gradually, focusing, consistent, earned. "Lila, why do you look so sad these days?" "I dream big, Mrs. Amina, but my grades are small. London feels impossible." "Impossible? Take this notebook. Draw one simple thing daily. Just one." "One sketch? What good will that do for my big dream?" Big dreams start with tiny, consistent actions, Lila. Try it. "The scholarship deadline is next month. I have so much to do." Remember your sketchbook, Lila. Each tiny drawing led to something bigger.